Eastern Market is my market because it is the central place where I get to show off my donuts. My name is Toi, and I'm the owner and I'm the donut chef of Rolais Caribbean Baking Company. So I have my donuts and I make them from scratch, and they're actually vegan donuts, but don't let that deter you because they're just as good. So I have a passion for donuts, and here is the reason why. I've never seen anyone have a sour face when they see a donut. Everyone smiles when they see a donut. The next week they're gonna come back and they're gonna be happy to see me. And I mean, that's what donuts do. This is why I do these donuts. My name is Toi, and Eastern Market is my market.